In this video, we are going to fix the 0x8024a112 error code Windows update. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you need to navigate here at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Day Settings. At this settings, this is where we are going to perform the troubleshooting for Windows Update. So wait until the settings would be ready for you before we proceed on that steps. Now once set, you need to navigate to the left pane, proceed to System, click in here. And under the system, you need to scroll down and find for the troubleshoot, click on that one. And then afterwards, you'll see three options, proceed to other troubleshooters, and please run the Windows update, okay? Once you have troubleshoot the Windows update, you need to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to do file system checker. So by that at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed that, wait until you can open or you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And once you have seen it, you need to navigate here at the right side and click on the Run as Administrator. Okay? And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So here I want you to copy the command that I have provided at the YouTube description. It is sfc space forward slash scan now. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, wait until it would be finished. This will do system scanning and this process might take some time, maybe 5 minutes, but please be patient. Wait until this would be done. And once you have done the procedure, you need to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.